Today, let's talk about the different types of property insurance and how you know what you need. The easiest type is homeowners insurance. If you live in your property and you occupy it, you probably want to have homeowners insurance. That's the type of insurance that covers your house from any kind of loss that might happen to it, such as fire, hail, tornado, storms, and then you can also get flood insurance, which is separate. It becomes more complicated when you don't live in the house or when you're renting the house from someone else. Those types are property insurance, liability insurance, and renter's insurance. Let's go through those one by one. If you don't live in the house, but you rent it out to other people, you probably want to have both property insurance and liability insurance. Those are two different things for two different reasons, even though you can sometimes get them combined in the same policy. Of course, if your house burns down that you own, even though you don't live there, you want to make sure an insurance company is going to make you whole and give you enough money to fix your home. You also want liability insurance in case you somehow directly or indirectly cause damage to your tenants or third parties. Going back to our fire example, what if you didn't know this, but your house had faulty wiring? That tenant might want to sue you for the lost contents and the lost items that they had, or God forbid, they might want to sue you for injury. If you have liability insurance, that will help protect you from that. Any landlord that is not occupying the property should really consider having both property insurance and liability insurance. Now, renters are a whole different subject. I can't tell you how many times I get a call from someone who rents a property and they've lost everything they own in a fire and they didn't have renter's insurance. It's absolutely gut-wrenching to have to tell someone on a regular basis that they're never going to be able to recover the items that they owned. If you are renting a property from someone, you should strongly consider getting renter's insurance. It's amazingly affordable. Many insurance companies offer it. And what renter's insurance covers, and the only thing it covers, are your contents, your clothing, your items, your stuff, your belongings, the things that you won't be able to replace if you lose them all in a fire one day or a storm. Again, as I said, the cost is really minimal, and there's a reason for that. It's because ultimately you don't have to worry about replacing the building because you don't own the building. So you're really talking about a lot less money. If you own a home and you live in it, you should absolutely have homeowners insurance. If you own a home and you don't live in it and instead you rent it out, you really need property insurance and liability insurance to both protect your property and protect any risk you have. And finally, if you rent a property, you really should have renter's insurance to protect your investment of all your belongings.